what are the benefits of using lavender essential oil in a diffuser? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 incredible benefits of diffusing lavender essential oil. And be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm also going to be sharing a couple great diffuser blends with lavender as well. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Now let's jump right into today's video. So our first benefit of diffusing lavender is for helping with stress relief. Several of the properties of lavender are antidepressant, nervine, relaxing, and soothing. So when you're having anxious feelings or you're just stressing out, that is the perfect time to diffuse lavender. There are some great diffuser blends for helping with stress relief, and in the description of this video, you'll find a free ebook with 15 incredible diffuser blends with lavender in them. And several of those are great for de-stressing. So check those out. Our second benefit of diffusing lavender is for sleep support. Lavender is also a sedative. So when you're settling down for the night and you want to be able to get a restful night's sleep, that is exactly when you'll want to diffuse your lavender. Now I'm showing the results for a couple of scientific studies using lavender essential oil on the screen now. And as you can see in these studies, inhaling lavender essential oil increased the quality of sleep and reduced the level of anxiety in the study participants. Okay, our third benefit of diffusing lavender is for headache relief. In one study, which I've also linked up below, 47 patients suffering from migraine attacks reported significant reduction of pain severity and associated symptoms after just 15 minutes of inhaling the lavender oil during the early stage of the migraine attack. Now, how they inhaled the lavender in this study was by rubbing 2 to 3 drops onto their upper lip and inhaling it that way, but a diffuser would also be a great option here. Our fourth benefit of diffusing lavender is for helping with allergies. Lavender, of course, is a great antihistamine, and from another scientific study with lavender, it was found that lavender inhibits allergic inflammation, and a benefit that was mentioned in that same study is that it was found that lavender may be useful as an alternative medicine for bronchial asthma as well. Now, like I promised, I also have 2 great diffuser blends with lavender to share with you. Our first one is called Pollen Punch. For this one, you'll drop 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of lemon, and 2 drops of peppermint in your diffuser. And our second diffuser blend is called Goodnight Sleep Tight. And for this one, you'll drop 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of Roman chamomile, and 2 drops of vetiver in your diffuser. The recipe for these 2 blends that I just shared with you are included in the free 15 lavender diffuser blends ebook that I will link up for you below this video. Now, click or tap the screen here to check out my video where I cover some incredible lavender and frankincense blends, or click or tap the screen here to check out another one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.